It was like yesterday when I held your hand under the city lights, dancing the night away as I gently stared in your beating eyes, thinking, could this be real? That I found my perfect melody to my song. That's when we kissed. Oh, and then I asked you, have you ever sat and wondered why the birdie sings, or how the sun leaves our horizon and comes back again? I can see how we don't have the picture perfect kind of love, but I know one thing, I'm in love with my best friend, and that's perfect to me. Ooh, yeah. We were never apart. Every breath you took was a part of mine. We could sit and do nothing and know that we still lose the track of time. You said that you needed me, but I know I needed you more. That's when I held you and asked you, have you ever sat and wondered why